Ever wanted to create your own video games? Think it's as easy as making toast? Spoiler alert, it's not, but it's a lot more fun. Stick around as we dive into the magical world of Unity, where you can turn your wildest gaming dreams into reality. Welcome to Geek-Tec Studio. I'm your guide, Leo, and today we're going to unravel the mysteries of Unity. By the end of this video, you'll know how to navigate the Unity interface, how to use the essential tools, and how to set up your own project. And who knows, maybe you'll be the next big indie game developer. Alright, let's not waste any more time. Fire up your computer, grab a cup of coffee or a cup of tea if you're fancy, and let's jump right into it. First things first, let's download and install Unity Hub. Head over to Unity's official website, the link is in the description, grab the latest version and get it installed. I will press on download, save it on my desktop in my case, and then get it installed. Done? Great! When you open Unity, you'll be greeted by the Hub. Think of it as the gatekeeper to all your future game development glory. The Unity Hub is where you manage your Unity projects and installations. The first time when I open Unity Hub, I will go to Installs, and here you can see a list of all Unity versions that I already have installed. In this case, we want to install Unity 6 Preview. Because I already have Unity 6 Preview installed, I will select Unity 2022.3.33, but you will have to do this for Unity 6 Preview. I will click on Install, and here I will have to select Microsoft Visual Studio Community 2022, because that's where we'll write all our scripts, but in my case it's already installed, so I cannot check it. And then we have a list of platforms, and because I want my game to be released on Android, I will select these three checkboxes and I will click continue. Here I will have to read and agree with the terms and conditions above, check that and click install. When the editor is done downloading and installing, you will see something like this. And now I will go to projects and we can create a new project. I will click on new project. I will select my editor version here because I want it to be created with the version 6. And here I will select Universal 3D. I will give it a name. We will call it Epic Game Adventure because we are ambitious. The location is already set. You'll have to set that too if it's empty. And the organization, it's already selected, but you don't need to select one. I will uncheck Connect to Unity Cloud and I will create the project. Once you've created your project, Unity will open up and present you with this interface. If this is your first time seeing it, it might look a bit overwhelming, but don't worry, we'll break it down. So here's the grand tour. On the left we have the hierarchy window. This is where all the objects in your scene are listed. The scene window is in the middle and is your playground where you'll build and manipulate your game world. Below that we have the project window. It's like your game's file explorer. And on the right there's the inspector window where you'll tweak the settings for the selected object. Simple, right? To get started, let's add a simple 3D object. Right-click in the hierarchy window, 3D object, and let's select cube. Congratulations! You've just created your first game object. If only building a house was that easy. You can move, rotate, and scale your object using these tools right here. Give it a spin. Literally, make it as big or small as you like. It's your world and everything is a cube. Now let's add some color to our cube. Right click in the project window, go to create and select rendering and then select material. And then let's name it cube color because, well, we are very original, right? In the inspector window we can change the color by clicking on this color right here and then let's just make it red. Drag and drop this material onto your cube. Boom! Instant art! And there you have it. You've just taken your first steps into the Unity world. From here you can explore with adding more game objects, play with physics and eventually scripting so you can bring your game to life. But for now, give yourself a pat on the back. You did great! Thanks for joining me on this Unity adventure. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Geek-Tec Studio for more game development tips and tutorials. And leave a comment below with what you want to learn next. Until next time, happy coding and game on!